Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at a Jandy Stealth Pump that has a cracked locking nut. You can see right here across the top. It's hard to see in the picture, but it is split right across that upper edge. So when the pump runs, it leaks a little bit. So with that said, let's fix it. Okay, the easiest way might seem to just disconnect it and rebuild it. And that would work perfectly, but I believe I've got an easier way that I can show you. Doesn't take as long and usually goes pretty easy. So disconnect the lower locking nut completely, and then the one on the filter, we're just going to loosen it up so that we can swivel this joint. Okay, now we'll cut the end piece off and replace it with a new one. Okay, what I'm doing here is I am cutting a notch in the old union. And the reason for that is we want to put a screwdriver in there and see if we can't pry it off. Now this one was put together with gray glue. And one of the good things about the gray glue is it's very brittle when you're working against it at a 90-degree angle. If you're pulling it or pushing it, it's incredibly strong. But if you go sideways against it, it pops off real easy. So it's brittle. And as a result, makes it real easy to snap loose. So if you see gray glue on one of your fittings, it's a perfect candidate for this method. And there it is, just like that. This one came off incredibly easy. Didn't even have to get a hammer. So now we're going to put it back together. Just make sure the new tailpiece union fits like it's supposed to. We'll glue it and put it back together. Okay, repair is complete. You can see this old locking nut is just cracked all the way across there. These things just get old, brittle, they crack. But fortunately, it was a pretty easy repair. We just knocked that old collar off, made one cut, pried it off, snapped off real easy, got it put back together, and there it is. Hope that helps you guys. Have a great week and a great summer.